Hello, I'm Jonathan McGuire, and I'm here for another Foundation Works Minute. What we're doing today is we're talking a little bit more about these cinder block walls that happen to bow. I've set up a laser level down at the bottom. You may be able to see the line here and see it across the ceiling. Basically what we're doing is we're checking to see how far out of plumb this wall is. That determines what sort of solutions we have for this wall. Once again, this wall bows because it's exerting lateral force into the house. You're getting a horizontal crack because basically what's happening is you're getting a lateral force that's pushing this wall in. So if we check at the bottom of this wall, we're 2 inches. If we check at its bowing area, we're at 1.5 inches. When we go up top, we're very, very close to that 2 inches. So basically what's happened is the middle of this wall has moved in 1/2 inch. In that case, carbon fiber would be a very viable solution to this bowing block wall that will reinforce the wall from any further movement. I'm Jonathan McGuire, and this has been another Foundation Works Minute. Thanks.